Hey everybody, welcome to Smart Kitchen. Today we're making these no sugar, no butter cookies. To start, you're going to need some flour, some Greek yogurt, some chocolate chips, 1 egg, and some soda, cinnamon, and salt, and 1 banana. First, you're going to use your sugar substitute, aka your banana. You're going to peel it, and you're going to put it in the bowl. You can use a fork or a masher to mash them up nicely. So just mash them up nice and good. Just mash them up. Now, when you've got that done, you're going to grab your Greek yogurt, your spoon, and you're just going to spoon it all in. Just make sure you get all of that out. Just get all of that out. Now you're going to mix it really well so it combines together. You don't want any white parts showing. Just want it to be one thick paste. Kind of like this. Now, you're going to add your egg. Just plop it in there. You're going to break it and you're going to mix it till it's nice and combined. So just like that. Now, you're going to grab your mixture of cinnamon, salt, and soda and your flour. First, you're going to add your little mix. Just plop it in, sprinkle it nice and good, and you're going to mix it all up so the soda, cinnamon, and salt kind of dissolves into it. You can't really see it anymore. Just like that. Now mix it up. Then bit by bit, you're going to add your flour in, just a tiny amount. Then you're going to mix it to ensure that you don't overdo it and it becomes really thick and unable to mix. So just add it in bit by bit, and soon you'll get this nice thick batter. Now you're going to need a pan and some parchment paper. Once you got all that, you gotta get your parchment paper nice and smooth. You're gonna spoonful. So just put a nice big spoonful in. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and even. Not too thick, not too thin. Then you're going to grab a couple chocolate chips and you're gonna put them in the middle. Then, to make the surprise chocolate inside, you're gonna put another little spoonful of batter on top, just like that. Now, once you have all your batter separated evenly, here is the next step. You can add a topping of your choice. This is optional, but I just added some coconut shredded pieces. Now bake this at 12 minutes for 400 Fahrenheit. You'll get these amazing cookies. Thanks for watching, everyone.